Hi students, I am Ishwar S.B. Patil, working as a assistant professor at Veerapanishti Engineering College, Sorapur. Today we'll see how to install the keil and how to execute a simple program in the microcontroller. Okay, BCS 402, which is common for the CS and the even information science engineering also. So today we'll see the how to install the keil 4.2 version of the keil, and also we'll see the how to execute a simple single steps in detail one by one with the one by one we'll explain each and everything. Okay, please concentrate. Okay, each and every steps are very clear, we'll be explaining here, and also which is terms and techno which are we using in the terms for this project on this lab will be even I'll explain that one also. Please look at that one by one. Okay, here I'll be downloading the keil software. Okay, in the keil 4.2 with the help of this one. Here I'll start downloading the keil software. Okay, here I copied the keils tool here, so that I'm opening that one EV4. So there you can get the keil tool here as EV4 means U means what, micro version microcontroller with the version of 4. Okay, that one you can say it's like this. You can open here, so it's our tool is open now. Micro, this mu is nothing but the U is nothing but the micro version microcontroller with the version of with the 4. Okay, vision. It's some default. So earlier old programs are opening will be opening here, so that will be closing. We can close that. Okay, with the help of whatever, go to project, new project, new microvision project. Also you can give the any name here. Okay, even you can get this name from the desktop also. Even you can open this tool from the desktop also, like this already came here. So with the microvision 4 you can also open the same keil tool here from here also. Just you close older project here. If any older project, close the project here, close the project. You just click on the close, go to projects, close the project. Okay, close the project means if any new earlier old projects are there, just you close the project and start. Okay, go to project, there you can select the new microvision project. Mu is nothing but mu, or U is nothing but the microvision project. There you can write create your own project. You can give the any name, like anything you want. You can give your name also, but I am giving here what here SB temple as one my project name. Okay, SB temple as my project name. So let me give any name here, but here you can give the extension as here. You can see here extension as UV means U means that microvision project dot. Okay, automatically it will take. Don't worry, just to click on save, click on the save button. Okay, there you will get the so many options here. We can have the so many different types of controller here. So there I'm using the ARM controller here also, so that you can also select the different version of the LPC2148. This is for your syllabus. Okay, this is the for your syllabus. They have given the, you have to take this kind of this portion of the microcontroller for your syllabus. I am selecting that one. Okay, you can see here ARM7 TDMI based on the high performance 32-bit of RISC microcontroller with the 512 KB of chip. Okay, flash. Even you can see the some USB and all, some configuration he has given so many things here. How the what is the clock rate and what is the and all frequency and all, he has explained it clearly. Just click on the OK. That's enough. Okay, click on OK. You can see the some one pop-up window will keep giving, that's the name as the copy startup.s. Okay, to the projects folder and the file to the project. We are not doing any other extension projects here. We are not connecting to any peripherals here. Right now we are doing the some basic projects. That's what we will take the no. Click on no. Okay, no. Okay, Here it's a target has been created here. Just look at target. Okay, the project name can be source group. On the source group only you can click here. Okay, in the click, okay, you can click on the source group. In the click source group you can click. Okay, you can give any name like other names also here, but here we are creating what one project name here with the .s. What are the things here? Just you click on writing the program. Actually here it's something. Okay, just you click on some any name, ram. Okay, ram is enough. Okay, it can be taking as the automatically .s. Okay, if you can give any name here .s, it will take the any name also. Extension always should be what yes only. Okay, you should remember this one. Add. Okay, add. Okay, it will taking add here. It means added here. Just to close, click on close here. Just look at here the project name. The project is already created here. Okay, it means what we are not done with this one. Just you remove this file. We should not do like this, but you have to give the name as, we should have to give the name as, wait, I have to remove this file because I do not create, should not create like this. But here the file, go to file, new. Okay, new, go to file, new. Okay, new. You can copy, write any name, like you can write some programs here, multiply. So I have copied this one already because of some explanation purpose. I am doing what here, area of the multiplication of the two hexadecimal numbers. 0x is nothing but what hexadecimal. I told you in the classroom. Okay, 0x is nothing but hexadecimal. We are multiplying the two hexadecimal numbers, saving into the R0 and R1, and the result is whatever the multiplication is done with between the R0 and R1. The result is stored where in the R2. The result is stored in the R2. The LDR load registers, the registers, whatever the registers, we are keep taking the one register, that's the R4. Okay, before going to R4 we are putting the value of R2, whatever the result we are getting the R2 multiplication of R1 and R0, the putting in the R4 register. That R4 register is a product in the form of, this is to be pointing towards the memory location, that's the LCD or 0x, which is having the 32-bit of multiplication having the result stored. This is the data rewrite. We have a rewrite application because we can see end product. Let me explain, okay, later, but let me save it this one. Let me save this one is the which is having the source file, which is having what here. Let me decide with the some projects like we have to save the file here. If I save as, okay, save as the whatever the thing here, you can give the any name like something like register to register multiplication. No, we'll be giving the register to register multiplication. Okay, okay, multiplication. You can give any name here, not necessary, but the file name should be like that. .s, it should be extension with the .s only. .s, not a comma s. .s. Okay, then close the, save it. Let me see it whether it is added or not. Like, okay, source file. Okay, add new items to the group source one, so that you can give the ASM file. So you can add there something like multiplication we are doing here, multiplication. What kind of projects we are doing? Multiplication of the two 16-bit numbers. Just to add it. Okay, just here add it here. Just look at here. Okay, just here look at here. Just you copy the paste it here. Whatever the thing here you copied, means I have to write the program here, but here just I copy pasted. Just I am going to explain. Just look at here. This is the area I have to define what kind of result I am getting. That will be, it's a read only. Whatever I am typing, the it is sending to the water to the processor. It should be read only. It should not make any changes. So that code entry to the, I am doing what here, LPC2148 processor I am taking. So that entry is here. Move. Okay, move. Copying. Move is nothing but the copying of the 16. So that's nothing but the 16 bit is the hexadecimal value. 0x. Okay, 400 4300 1. Okay, that is readed where copied to R0, and now it is copied to move. Second one is the 300 hexadecimal, copy it to where R1. Okay, R1, got it. These two has to be multiplied. I have to multiply means what? Mul mul R1 R0 ಇವೆರಡರಿಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಮಾತ್ರ R2 ದಾಗ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ದಟ್ load resistors, that result whatever we are getting resistor R2, that is to be pointed to what stored to where R4. R4 is holding the memory address, that is the product that is to be done. And also area result I have to define. Okay, once again I have to give the result back to the user. I have to show it. Even you can stop here also, but here I am writing one more time. Area result and the data reader, right? Okay, product DCD it is sending and also result is giving here, and you should have to mention the end and these to be should be in the program. I will to explain, I will be explaining. Just save it and make it as what here, build it, whether it's building the properly or not. Let me see it. Build go to source project, right click on this one, right click and build. Okay, build target. Okay, 0 errors, warnings are 0, because I have already so many times I tried this one, I got the result here. Even you can build from this also, from this project windows there here. Okay, this is the project window, this is the window for writing the code here. So that you can build from here also, you can getting the result as the 0 errors and 0 warnings. So that I can go for the what here now, debug. Thereafter I have to start the debug. Debug is nothing but the running the program. How did debug? Start debug. Okay, it is asking to evaluation mode. It's what you are the evaluation mode. Okay, running with the code size of limit 32-bit only. It's giving some pop-up window, don't worry. Just click on the OK. Then it's started. You can see here debug with the run course line one by one, cursor line by line also you can see here. Control F12 you can write it, press or else you can control like this also. You can show next statement also, you can point to there, or you can do anything, but here the better to go for the run cursor line. Okay, cursor line, what is their initial? Okay, initially I am copying the hexadecimal number 40002 where the register R0. Next, the same thing in the next move operation, I am copying. The move is the instruction which is helping for the register to register. Copying the register to register means move instruction is to helpful for the copying the data from the register to one register to another register. That's nothing but here the one data is present in the memory, from that it is copying to the register R1, R0 and R1. Here we have taken the two values here, two hexadecimal values. Okay, two hexadecimal, ಎರಡು hexadecimal ತೊಗೊಂಡಿದೆ 400 4300 ಮತ್ತು 300 ಅಂತ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನೋಡೋಣ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು ಒನ್ ಬೈ ಒನ್ ಅಂತ. ಆರ್ ಎಲ್ಸ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಗಿವ್ ದ debug like this also, you can give the given, you can also, but better to go for the control debug from this also. Start debug here, debug, start debug, so that it's giving okay something. Okay, you can move from one by control F10, keep thumb on the control and F10, just click on F10, control F10. Okay, it's initially 40001, it's copying to wire in the register R0. Okay, next is what here, next is here, just look at the register R0 1, 3000 hexadecimal is copied to register R1. Multiplication of the R1 and R0, and the result is stored in the register R0. You can check the result also here. You can just copying the result here. Okay, you can see here result is here, just result is here. F10, just press the F10, there you can get the result here. R1 is holding a water earlier 3000. R2 is not having any result. This is not key. R0. Just look at the R1. R0 is 4 double hexadecimal of having the 400. R1 is hexadecimal of 3000. It's copying the result is earlier. Result ಏನು ಇರಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಇನ್ನೂ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ R2ದಾಗ ಏನೂ ಇಲ್ಲ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ, R3ದಾಗ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ. ಈಗ ಯಾವಾಗ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಆವಾಗ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನೋಡಿ ಇವಾಗ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಯಿತು. ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಯ್ತಂತ. ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ ದಿ R2 ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಚೇಂಜ್. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಲುಕ್ ಎಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್. Okay, just to look at the figure here, the value of the result. Now I'm pressing the F10. Okay, F10. How the result is going to be changing now. Let's look at here. The result is storing here. The R15 is what program counter is 00 say. Whether the result, whatever you get the result in the R15, that's nothing but the register R15 program counter. We will be putting in the to the R4. That way the result is correct or not, we'll check it out. Okay, we'll see. Okay, we'll see one by one. Okay, don't worry. Okay, whatever the result, it should be getting what we are getting. Whatever the result we are getting now, that should be run in properly. You can check this result as the multiplication while opening the programmer calculator. Just to look at this one, 400 hexadecimal of the 400, multiplication of the 300. Okay, as a result should be what here. I have to get the result, some result, which was C value. Okay, C just here the hexadecimal value of C is okay. What is the result we got from the program execution and even from the calculator? Both are same. Here I'll be defining some terminologies. Let me see, explain. Okay, I use the LPC 2148. Yes sir, this is the LPC kit. Okay, okay, this one LPC is nothing but the what low pin count. It's a microcontroller, 32-bit of microcontroller will be using low pin count LPC. Don't worry, 2148 different types of microcontrollers are using Cortex M4, Cortex M3, and different types of companies we are using. The ARM7 is one of the software they are providing. They are the vendors. They are providing to the companies people to implement that one. So the Cortex is one of the company. So they are using the ARM7 to the build the chips and all. Okay, that's nothing but the even the low pin count. It's the family of the 32-bit of microcontroller. Low pin LPC is what the one of the family of the 32-bit of microcontroller integrated circuits by NXP Semiconductors company. Okay, okay, this is the we'll be using every time in LPC 2148 is the configuration. We have the low pin count is the one of the family of 32-bit of microcontroller integrated circuits. ಇದು ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಆಫ್ ದ ಒಂದು ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಸರ್. ಇದೇನು ಮೈಕ್ರೋಕಂಟ್ರೋಲರ್ ಒಂದು ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಮೈಕ್ರೋಕಂಟ್ರೋಲರ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಮೈಕ್ರೋಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ 47 ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಇದೆ. ಅದರಿಂದ LPC ಅಂತ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. LPC ಅಂದರೆ ಲೋ ಪಿನ್ ಕೌಂಟ್ ಅಂತ. ಇದು NXP ಸೆಮಿಕಂಡಕ್ಟರ್ ಕಂಪ್ನಿಯವ್ರು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವರು ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಟೈಪ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೆಮಿಕಂಡಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಡೆವಲಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅಂದರೆ ಚಿಪ್ಸ್ ಡೆವಲಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅಂದರೆ ಈ ಮೈಕ್ರೋಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಚಿಪ್ಸ್, Cortex M4F, Cortex M3 families, different families are there, versions are there like this. Okay, once again I'm doing the project same as it is, revising the things, just concentrate. Okay, close this project. Okay, whatever I done with this one, just to close this one. Okay, go to project. Okay, close the project. We are doing what here, new project. The same thing is I'm revising, okay, repeating the thing, just to concentrate. Okay, go to project, okay, new vision project. Okay, you can give the any name here. I'll be giving the different name now here. um, BB Patil. Okay, I'm giving the mine father name as it is project EV project. You can give any name here, just I'm giving different name here. Okay, save. You can go for the arm and all, but we are for your syllabus they are mentioned strictly 2418 LPC 2418 family. You should have to work this one with this one 2148. Okay, 2148 family. Okay, NSP ಕಂಪ್ನಿ ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ನಲ್ಲ ಆವಾಗಲೇ, NXP ಒಂದು 2148 NXP ಕಂಪ್ನಿಯವರು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಂತ, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಲೋ ಪಿನ್ ಕೌಂಟ್ 2148 ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ವಾಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ಕೇಳ್ತದೆ. ನೀವೇನಾದರೂ ಔಟ್ಸೋರ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಿ ಅನ್ನೋ ಅಂದರೆ ಪೆರಿಫೆರಲ್ ಡಿವೈಸ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಪ್ರೆಸ್. ಸೊ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಆನ್ ನೋ. Okay, target has been created. Now click on the target plus point and you have to start the click on the source. Okay, file. Okay, go to file, new. Okay, new, just to create the one file name as whatever the thing here. Just to save as the any name with the .s only. It should be .s only. It should be .s means here I am doing the multiplication. Okay, operation multi. Raj I'll be doing with the .s. It will take. Okay, don't worry, if I take it did not mention also it will take, but I am giving here. I have to write the my source code here. Source code I already typed, just I'm simplification, just I'm doing the area I defined multiplication operation code read only. Okay, entry, just to save this one. Okay, that's enough. Then click on add new add files. You have to make sure of ASM file only. I am doing what multiplication operation. You can give any name, you can also multi also, nothing will happen. Just add. Okay, in the Vishwa target only file, there I am creating BB Patil project there, add it. Okay, thereafter you can create also here also, you can do the same as it is here also, same .s only it will take. You can do either of one. Okay, not necessary to worry any of this one, you can do either of one, it's saved. Okay, either of one. Then source file, then click on this one, build. Okay, build target, just to build. There is no errors because I already corrected this one. Okay, and there is no warnings also. And also debug, go to debug, start debugging that one. It is asking the limited in size of 32-bit only, don't worry, it's already copying, but doing the thing. Okay, just to press on the F10, it will give the. Okay, RNet initially what to having code of what hexadecimal 4 is there. R1 is holding what registers of R1 3000. Okay, 3000 here. Just here, look at here, R1 is okay, 33 hexadecimal 3000. R2 is not multiplied now, right now. Multiplication started. Okay, multiplication started. Okay, multiplication started, the values are changing here. R4 is having the fourth something. Okay, here, and also we will be having the different we are placing into the where its result is to be stored, that one will be saving here. The values here going to be changing for every time. Okay, the result should be here what here the having the something which is to be different. Okay, control F10, and then I will putting the F10, R1 value, R0 value, multiplication of this one as R4 is stored, the values here. Next is the R4 value. Okay, then the result should be what here, there should be 4 times of the multiplication because of the hexadecimal. Okay, R10 of 10. Okay, the result, whatever we are getting the result, this should be here. It's very clear. Okay, it's what a hexadecimal of C. Whether we are getting the result or not correctly, we'll see with the helping of the some calculator is here, programmer calculator. Just clear this one earlier on. Just I'm giving the two numbers with the hexadecimal 40000 multiply with the 3000. Okay, the result is what here? Just look at C. Okay, C here hexadecimal value of C. Okay, that's whatever we are getting the result here also. C, just look at here. The result is also program code is holding the C value only. Whatever we are getting the result here, that's right. Okay, that's right. Thank you for watching the video. We'll be putting all the videos, don't worry. We'll continue the lab with the next day, tomorrow also. But don't worry, this is very lab is very easy compared to the other labs. Don't worry, I'll explain each and every steps with the everyday lab I'll be taking. Even subject with this is integrated lab, no? Whenever I'll take the subject related to topic theory, thereafter I will be taking the lab related to theory. I'll be taking the program also. Don't worry. Okay. Lab is very easy, but steps are there. Some few steps are there. You have to remember that much. Thank you for watching the video and keep on watch. Okay. Bye. Take care. All the best, students.